we're gonna need to step aside and just pray for Miami for a second. It's 94 degrees outside, y'all. I'm not going outside today. No, sorry. Not kidding. It's 94 degrees today. Wow. Let's pray for all the states that are feeling this grueling heat. Welcome all my friends to this video, to my channel if you are here. If you're not yet a friend, do not worry. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. And while you are there, go ahead, might as well just go ahead and give that thumbs up button a click too for this video. So it is no secret, and if you're living under a rock and have not felt the rising, grueling temperatures that we are now entering, summer is here, summer is upon us. We're bringing on the heat, we're bringing on the sweat, the humidity, so bring your best faces, y'all, because we're gonna need it this summer. Hands down, this might be the hottest summer ever. I am no news reporter. It might be. So today I have put together my summer routine. Okay, this is like a summer-proof routine, something quick and easy to get you out the door so you don't have to spend like, I don't know, too long to be ready, you know, quick and easy. So we got dewy skin because, you know, it's all about the glow for summer, but we're keeping it matte in all the right places. You have total control over this. You know, customize this how you will. If you want more glow, less glow, do you, boo. But this is my routine, nice and easy. I'm very excited to share it with you guys. So without further ado, if you guys are interested in seeing how to get this summer routine, keep on watching, let the games begin, and let's get started. So who's ready to jump into a summer routine? I am trying to be just like beautiful all summer 2018. Yeah, they ain't ready for me. They are not. So the first thing I'm gonna do for summer, I want to be kind of like dewy and just like full of life and glowingness, you know? Yeah, that's what I'm going for. So for this dewy effect, I will be taking my Suva Beauty Liquid Illuminator in the shade Queen. Let's put this like all over. We're gonna use this underneath our foundation. You're gonna work fast though, because this stuff like dries quick. I've left my forehead alone because I want to control the amount of glow happening on my forehead, so I'm gonna take care of that after. For foundation today, I will be taking the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation in the shade D50. Shake her on up. I have worn this foundation to like a festival, an outdoor festival, and it was really humid. Well, I'm in Miami, so it's always humid, but like it has been raining the entire weekend, and I danced my life away, and my foundation stayed like So for concealer, I am using the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Deep. For the contouring situation, I'm taking my Fenty Beauty Matchstick. You guys can't even see that, but this is in the shade Espresso. Carve out some cheekbones. So to go ahead and set the areas where I feel like I need extra help, I'm gonna go ahead and take the Beauty Bakery Flower Setting Powder in the shade Yellow. It's a translucent yellow. Alright, so skin-wise, I'm liking where this is. I'm just gonna go ahead and do one eye off camera, and I will be right back. So I went ahead and did one eye off camera. If you guys notice something a little different about this eye, it's not too much, there's no cut crease, and I used cool tone browns instead of warm. I know, I always use warm browns, but doing something a little different today. So let's get started. And the first shade I'll be taking is Rustic from the Soft Glam palette. I'm just gonna go ahead and place Rustic all over my crease, and this is gonna be my transition shade today. Rustic is more of a cool toned brown. We're not using any warm toned browns, you guys. Zero. I'm also going to take that shade Rustic right underneath my lash line just to go ahead and start adding some definition down here. Taking the shade Cypress Umber from the Soft Glam palette. So to go ahead and add some depth to this look, I'm just going to go ahead and pack on Cypress Umber on the outer edge of my eye first before I go ahead and start blending. And now I'm just gonna start blending this shade out and over. So I'm just gonna run Cypress Umber along my lower lash line as well, being sure to not neglect this area right here. Connect the top and the bottom and continue dragging this along the lower lash line. For eyeliner today, I am taking my NYX Wonder Pencil in the shade 3 to just go ahead and line my lower waterline. I'm going to dip into the shade Glistening from the Soft Glam palette. I'm just gonna go ahead and pack the shade Glistening on my lid. I'm going over my natural crease, but we're gonna buff out that line later, and I'm just gonna bring it about 3/4 of the way. Blend out any harsh lines that we have. So I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat this step, and you can repeat this step to build up that gold as much as you want. From this point, I've just taken a little bit of gel eyeliner and I'm putting dots right underneath my lash line just to create an illusion of thicker lashes. That was so quick and easy. I'm about done with the eyes, but what I have left to do is do my eyeliner and apply my lashes. For lashes today, I will be using the Dodo lashes in the style D316, and we'll be right back to finish up this summer look. Hi, back with the lashes on, and everything is looking good so far, so you guys know what I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna go ahead and bronze, and I am taking, where's my bronzer? Oh, in the world. For my bronzer today, I will be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in the shade Mahogany. Nothing new here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add warmth back into my face. You know, for this summer edition, we want warmth. Lots of warmth. Over bronze a little bit, you know. But your bronzer, you know, it has to be like the perfect shade. That's when you know you can just pack this bad boy on and you still look good. For my contour today, I do want something a little maybe deeper than I usually do. So I am gonna take my Deuce palette by Juvia's Place, and don't mind the green, fat shattered, but we're taking the shade Chocolat, and I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know, cut it out, carve us some nice cheekbones, help my situation out a little bit, okay? Yeah, oh, yes. I feel like if you contour right, it's like a facelift, like a cheek lift. It's happening, y'all. It is happening. It honestly is like plastic surgery for your face. Right shade, right placement, blend out good. Yeah. So it is definitely time to go ahead and add some color back into the face, and I am slipping back into some old habits, but you know, old habits die hard sometimes, and this one's not dead yet. And I'm gonna take my Juvia's Place Sahara and Blush Palette Volume 1. What shade am I going to take today? I think I'm gonna take the shade Neo just to give, actually, scrap that. We're gonna take the shade Toby, because my bronzer is like a little warm and Neo's warm. Yeah, we're gonna take the shade Toby and we're just gonna put that on our cheeks today. Add some color back into the face, you know? Cheeks. Yeah. Okay, peeps, it is definitely time to glow. I mean, if it's one thing that I'm looking forward to summer, is just glowing all of summer. Just like, own the glow, be the definition of glow. So for that, I'm taking one of my all-time favorite highlights, and this is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. You guys, I am so obsessed with the shade Bronzed, which is this one right here. Never does me wrong, but we're gonna be extra because summer is all about glowing, at least in my books, and being like just looking healthy and glowing and schmexy. I am gonna be taking some of the Amrezy I will be taking some of their Amrezy highlighter to top it off just in the center. So let's go ahead and do this. Anywhere you could possibly highlight, just go ahead and do that. We're not skipping out on any highlighting parts. Maybe just the chin. I don't highlight my chin ever. It's already so, like, I have a chin. I don't need to highlight it. I don't know. Now for the extra step, we're just gonna take the Amrezy highlighter, which you know what it looks like already. She's got the waves in her. I'm just gonna go ahead and pop it, excuse me. I'm gonna go ahead and pop it right here, the highest point of my cheekbone. You see that? Right there, that's good. So for lips today, I do want to do something kind of like nude and glossy. I know I've been doing like a lot of nude and glossy, but I mean, you could do like a red lip with this, you know, if you want to be like natural but like pout the lips, you could. But I was just feeling very like, this is like my summer vibe, you know, so you can always switch up the lips to how you want. For starters, I will be taking my Chestnut MAC lip liner to go ahead and line the lips. Let's go ahead and get that done. So for my matte portion of this lip today, I will be taking the Violet Voss liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Mila. Okay, darker than what I was expecting, but I don't mind. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I really do like this pink that we have going on, but I just like, I'm obsessed with having like a glossy look for summer. When I think about summer, everything's just like dripping, like highlight, gloss, everything's just like shiny. So I'm gonna go ahead and take, this is the Patent Polish by MAC Cosmetics, and this is in the shade My Flip Side. What I really like about their patent polishes, it's like having a lip gloss in a stick form instead of like a tube or like a wand. Ooh, liking this combination. You know the deal. To keep this in place, we gotta set the face. The Urban Decay All-Nighter Pollution Protection Setting Spray, and you know, you work so hard on this face, you just want to make sure that it stays. How everything is looking so far, it definitely feels like this summer is going to be brutal with a capital B, okay, and capital L at the end. I'm worried about the temperatures for this summer, but we do have a summer-proof routine that we just went through, and I'm very happy that I got to share that with you guys. Thank you so much for joining me once again. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to press the subscribe button too if you haven't done so already. Join the family, let us be friends. Share this video with anyone that you think may need help for their summer routine. Let's connect on all my other platforms. I do have a Snapchat, a Twitter, and I also am on Instagram, which I update daily in my stories, so you might want to catch me on that. Everything will be linked down below for you guys. But that's all that I have for you guys today. You know where to find me, you know where I'll be. I will see all of you beautiful babes in my next video. But before I go, I'm gonna go ahead and play some videos right here for you guys. Go ahead, grab your blanket, your snacks, grab your friend, your pets, dogs, cats, whatever pet you have really, and enjoy these videos. You know the drill. Go ahead and YouTube and chill, do the do. Okay, you can go ahead and binge. All right, yeah, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys.